Cassie, and this is Grayson, and today we're doing another PopinCookin kit. This time it is ice creams and cakes, and I'm thinking I'm going to like it a lot better than the other two. It looks a lot more delicious. Same thing as the other ones. You got the directions on the back, all in English. Got nutrition on the side, contents on the other side, and the easy open tab. And inside you get the bag with the cutout templates. We can either choose this little blue plate, or we can have a big pink plate. I'll probably use the little blue one. Alright, we got our little blue decorating tray ready to go. Try and place it where you guys can see it. Tried to do like more up close so maybe you guys can see more things than my last video. And I remembered to bring a paper towel this time. So hopefully it should go well. Alright, let's see what's inside. We have strawberry cream powder, sprinkles just like the one in the donuts, vanilla cream powder, this cool two-sided piping bag. We've got 2 tiny cones that are already made for us, the spoon, a tiny bowl, and we got 2 wafers. And this tray is a lot more simple than the other one. So you really just have 2 big compartments, the water fill container, and some dots, which I don't even know if they're used for anything. We'll find out. Alright, so let's start with cutting off our water tray. And I have my cup of water right here. Now, the first thing is they want you to cut up the wafers. And it shows you how right here. Let's see. Okay, so the first one, you do 1 short piece, and then 3 square pieces, which the first one turned out all right. I got 2 all right square pieces, and then this one's kind of ugly. So this one, oh, we'll just see how it goes. Short piece. I mean, I'm not trying to sit here and measure stuff out, so I know I'm horrible. Alright, these squares turned out a little bit better, so I'm probably going to trade this one for when we make the little cake. And this ugly one for something else. Now I have to split these into triangles. Some of them look alright, some of them kind of ugly, but they alright. I'll put them over here. I don't know if you guys can see those, I'm sorry. Maybe shouldn't have worn massive sleeves. Alright. So next we're gonna make the vanilla cream and the strawberry cream. Let's see. Vanilla cream goes in the bigger cup, and vanilla cream goes in the smaller one. Let's just do these at the same time. Trusty scissors. One full triangle cup for each. Okay, I'm gonna mix the vanilla one first, so that way I don't get any pink in the vanilla one and change the color at all when I stir that one. And the directions just say to mix until it's creamy. Alright, next we fill the piping bag here. We cut this part off first. Alright, so the goal is to get one color on one side and one color on the other side. Let's see how difficult that's going to be. We'll do pink first because it's already on my spoon. And then vanilla on the other side. The bag keeps sticking to itself closed. Okay. So I did pretty well on keeping them separated, I think. Gotta cut the tip of this off. Now, basically the rest of the directions is like decorate these the way you want to, which all you really have is these, which the square ones are gonna make the cake. Got your cups, your bowl, and your sprinkles. Oh, let's get down to business. Squeeze this bad boy down. Actually, I'll push it down a little further because I didn't do a very good job. It's just gonna squeeze right out the top. Oh, I'm just gonna make a mess. Alright, let's I recommend getting it further down in the bag and not doing what I did. She didn't do a good job. So I'll stuck at the top. Alright. Make ice cream. it's not easy. Instead of worrying about keeping them perfectly separated, I'm just gonna mush it in there. It's all sticky. It's stuck to itself. It's not super fun. Ay, ay, ay. All right, we're scooping it in. We're cheating. Ice cream. And to put a little decoration wafer. And some sprinkles. One ice cream. Put it on our plate. Let's see if we can mash this out into the bowl. All right, that's working. I don't know if you guys can see that. It actually looks like that actually looks good. If you mush it all down into the very bottom of the bag, some of you might already know this better than me, but put it all at the top like a crazy person. Anyways, let's put some little wafer decorations on here. And some sprinkles. There's my tart. Put him on the plate. Now, just gonna smoosh these on here. Stick. And smush. And stick. And smoosh. And sprinkle. And I call that one done. Now let's try and mash all of the rest of this into an ice cream, if possible. We're getting messy, guys. Getting real messy. Now, if any of you have made this kit and you were able to make a beautiful ice cream cone, I'd love to see, because I made the most ugly. Let's just stick all of these leftover pieces in here, like that. And pour the rest of the sprinkles on there. There's our ugly cone. And let's clean this up. Leftover heart sprinkles, can't waste those. Alright. Let's move the display here so you can see them better. Actually, I'll move this up closer when I try them. Okay, so we're up closer. Show you the ice creams, cakes, and my mess. Now let's try them. First, the good looking ice cream. It mostly tastes like nothing except for ice cream cone filled with mush. That's probably what everything else is going to taste like. Ice cream boat. I mean, for some reason that one tastes better. So it's like the same ingredients, but maybe it has like more of the pink frosting, which has more of a flavor than the other one. This one is just wafer and frosting, but the wafers are kind of like stale texture. So that one doesn't have like any special crunch or anything. So this one is the winner. I'm gonna save this bite for my son. And this one for him too. So like that. So I did get 2 more kits. I have a ramen kit and one that is cheeseburger, french fries, and soda, I believe. I'll put a poll up on my Instagram page and you guys can vote for which one I do next week, if you care. And I'll put a link in the description for my Instagram. If you like these videos, give a thumbs up. If you want to see more, hit subscribe. If you have ideas for a different kind of video you'd like for me to do, comment it below. And that's all. Thanks for hanging out, and good night.